All right. Hello, everybody. Man, I'm telling you, as a truck driver, if you know what's good, you will do your best to not eat in these truck stops. If you can get yourself a little skillet, a slow cooker. I don't really say microwaves because microwaves, it actually poisons your food. But a slow cooker, a fryer, just put stuff on your truck to where you're not spending $30 to $50 per spin at a Arby's, Wendy. You know what I'm saying? Like, and make sure you have a refrigerator. Have a refrigerator. If you know what's good, you get a college refrigerator, because this is your default standard Freightliner Cascadia refrigerator. And as you see, it's but so much you can honestly fit in this thing. Like, we can fit pretty decent, okay, but the thing be freezer for us, because we be wanting to buy meat, and it's hard to freeze your meat when you ain't got a lot of space. So one of these days, me and my husband, we gonna take this thing out and actually put a college refrigerator in this thing. That's what makes sense. You know how much money we saving by cooking breakfast? Eggs and sausage, turkey sausage. Get our turkey sausage going with turkey meat in the eggs. And make some. This is your little storage for like your other food items. Get your rice, your soups, chicken broth. Make an egg and sausage sandwich. And we done saved $50. $50 plus. This stuff is getting super duper expensive out here. And nobody has time for that when you can save money. Oh man, I forgot to put some cheese on them eggs. Yeah. Me and my honey, we like a little bit of cheese on our eggs, you know what I'm saying? Got to make it a little cheesy. Just a little cheesy. Not too much cheese, just a little bit. So, everybody knows, even people do this at home. Like, we can do dishes on this truck, but who has time to waste water? Because as a truck driver, we have to buy water more often than if you was home. So, to keep and preserve our waters, shit, paper plate, baby. Paper plate all day, shorty. Get yourself some plastic spoons, plastic forks. When you finish eating, you can dispose. You ain't gotta worry about wasting water or even doing dishes. All right, so my husband loves some damn mayonnaise, man. This man right here, olive oil mayonnaise. This man right here loves mayonnaise on his sandwiches. So the man gets what he wants. The man wants mayonnaise. The man gets what the man wants. Let's feed this man before we start our day. Gotta have food on his belly so he can work. And like I said, it saves money, so. All right. Good old-fashioned mayo. This man normally do about 2 of these. He can go through 2 of these egg and sausage sandwiches easy. Got a fast metabolism right there, brethren. So that's his plate. Hey, I eat the potato bread. I don't know what y'all talking about, but we don't waste food around here. A lot of people are like, I don't want that potato. Man, shit, give me that shit. Ain't nobody wasting no food. You want to say that shit if you had no food in your house. We ain't wasting no food around here. Not none. So. Alright. I can't dupe it so much mayonnaise. Mayonnaise really is not good for you. Mayonnaise gives you cholesterol issues and some more stuff. That's why I usually do avocado, but I don't have avocado. Avocado is a replacement for mayonnaise. All right. All right, y'all. So let's make the sandwiches. Come on, y'all. All right. Here you go, loving my life. Look at him supporting this baby. Look at him supporting this baby. There you go, boo thing.
Thank you, Tank.
All right. So we got the cold green tea. Here you go, sweetheart.
I got some.
Word. Well, this gonna be mine then. So you about to smash your baby. The food make you sing, huh? You sang it, didn't
I'll wait for you. Baby.
you gonna wait for me?
Baby.
Damn.
Swallowing.
Oh, you gonna swallow that? Oh shit. Oh, you do it,
Come on,
baby.
girl.
Oh
Don't
shit.
eat it.
Oh, I got you.
Boom.
All right, y'all. So, like, we can't have a paper pie. I wish we did. So we gotta soak it. So the best way we do our pots, we let this soak while we eat, and then put a little bit of dish detergent in there to break up that food. And that food should come right off that pan. Well, hope you guys have a great morning. Me and my husband, we are doing awesome today. So, you have the day that's for you. All right, chuck them up.